Okay, here's a swarm trap from last season that when I brought it back in, I was pretty sure it had wax moth in it. So I just put it out here in the shed, and my buddies won't use it, so I thought, well, I'll get out and get that thing cleaned up. Get ready for this, folks. Nasty. Them suckers destroyed everything. Well, I'm not gonna say that. That was a frame of natural comb right there. Lord, I can't even get it out. Look at that. Destroyed it. Now, yeah, I should have, that's no good. I should have put it in the freezer when I brought it home, but I didn't. If I'd put it in the freezer, we wouldn't have had this kind of carnage. And see, that's a plastic foundation, but that honeycomb is shot. Oh Lord, it gets even worse. Look at that. Look, I done got somebody over here investigating what I'm doing. I don't recall exactly how I had all this stuff set up in this hive. But good Lord. Well, they clean that foundation off, didn't they? Yeah, look here. You got the cocoons, and then you got the black crap. Yeah. Oh, come back here. Got that blame nail in there. Sometimes I irritate myself with my the way I do things. Definitely not one of my best videos. I'm gonna try to get anything out of there. Wait a minute. See if it can work. Oh, happy freaking day. Good gosh. Well, the frames are salvageable, but they're only salvageable because they got plastic foundation in them. I don't know how I'm gonna salvage them. May have to get a damn blame torch out here and try to clean them up with a torch to reuse them even. I think that one was another one that was natural. Good Lord, I'm gonna get kicked out of the bee club for this. I hope Tommy don't see this. My gosh. I mean, I don't care. It's look at all that pollen in there. But, and see, that's where I messed up. I used a menagerie of frames, and some of those frames obviously still had pollen in them, and some of them probably still had some honey, and that is just gnarly right there. But that stinks as well because of the dead larvae from the wax moth. So nasty. So there you have it. That is a foobar. Yes, sir. That is a foobar. We can fix it though. But that right there, I don't know if you can see it, that's a wax moth. It's dead. I mean, they all died. It got down to 5 degrees. But yeah. So anyhow, that's how not to leave your swarm box. Swarm trap. Yeah. So there you have it. That's how not to do something. You got to post everything when you're trying to show folks how to do something. So with that, howdy. I'll tell y'all bye-bye.